Hi loves, this is just a miniature lesson about Diigo. It's an online tool that you can sign up for that will go right into your toolbar up here, and it allows you to take notes on internet sources. So if you're not someone that likes to take notes in your folder, if you do things mostly on your laptop or whatever you do, Diigo is a really great thing. It's spelled Diigo, and you can sign up for it. It's super easy. You can go right online. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things. I have brought up the U.S. Department of Education. We talked about this as a reliable source. We did the CRAP test with it earlier. So I'm just going to show you a little bit how you do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already perused this website. I know that it has some good information that I can use. So I'm going to try to find it again. And we know my idea is imagination, so I'm going to type in imagination in the find. And it takes me right to the arts education piece. So this is where my focus is going to be in these 3 paragraphs, and it's much larger source. But I've already done the CRAP test. I've already determined that this is a really great source. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to use my Diigo feature. And Diigo is really great because we're really just going to focus on this on the annotation piece up here, but you can share it. You could take a screenshot and send it to yourself in an email, whatever you want to do. This is a really fantastic way to do online research. So I'm going to show you how you can annotate. Excuse me. So highlighting is awesome. You can use yellow, blue, green, or pink. So if you've already determined some of your subtopics, like I have, I can actually highlight in different colors if those particular pieces would be able to be used for different subtopics. So I'm going to stick with yellow, and I'm going to focus on why imagination is so important. So I'll make yellow that. I have found a national poll reveals that a majority of U.S. voters agree that building students' imagination is important to innovation and to the future success of the global-based economy. I think that's pretty awesome. So what I'll do is I'll highlight it in yellow, and I can even then make a little sticky note to myself up here, and it can move it around, and I'll say, I want to use this detail to explain and show with proof why imagination is so important. Focus on the future success. Okay, so that's a little note to myself. If I wanted to make it, if I was doing this with someone else, I could change that to not be private, but since it's just my situation, that's totally fine. So what I'll do then is I'll post this, and I can move my little sticky note right over here. So I can remind myself when I click on it. Oh, sorry. It says right here, I want to use this detail, etc. And I can add to the sticky note, do whatever. So this, in the same thing, now a new website, the Imagination Nation, provides both information about the survey and resources to public understanding that building capacities, blah, 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 is a fundamental subject. Now I can go to this other link if I wanted, and use this website as another source. I could take some more information. So it's pretty cool to be able to move around the web and take notes, and this will tell me that I've up here that I've already flagged this particular website. So I'm going to go back. Now that I'm on annotate, it brings up what I just had so that I can come back to this, and this is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to go to this poll right now in the imagination realm, and I can actually come and find a variety of, I don't know why this isn't linking right now, but, oh, that's it. Okay, sorry guys. So I'm going to find my statistic that I tried to find before. Okay, so we'll start here. So I'm going to retake this and I'm going to continue on with my yellow because I already did that. And I noticed that the majority of voters surveyed believe it is extremely important to have good public schools nationwide, but they're concerned that public education is blah, blah, blah. So this gives me a little bit of background about who took this particular survey. I don't know why this isn't working. So I'll just sticky note it. This develops the survey, so that just gives me a little reminder of how I can use that. And then I'm going to do another sticky note to say I want to use this amazing statistic as proof that imagination is important to more than just teachers. Okay, so I'm going to post that too. This puts it right over here by this one. And again, if I click on that, it has my information right here. Okay, so that's just a quick way of remembering Diigo. Now, if I were to close out of this and go back to it, you can see that I don't have my sticky notes there. But if I just go up to my little Diigo note, it will bring everything back. So it just kind of adds another layer. So this is a really fantastic feature if you guys feel like using it. Enjoy!